The Air Chief met the Navy Chief recently, during which he suggested that the Navy should back the development of Naval N-AMCA variant over the twin-engine deck-based fighter jet. The Indian Navy is also warming up to the idea of operating a fifth-generation platform eventually, but it's not clear if it will be a Naval AMCA for non-deck-based operations, or a fifth-generation variant of the TEDBF that will be developed at later stages. Since this is still a revolving scenario, and many deliberations might happen before it's clear, but for the time being, the Indian Navy is backing the development of the TEDBF that will see its first flight by 2026. The Indian Ministry of Defence has issued a request for information to procure 4 landing platform docks for the Indian Navy, and the tender is limited to Indian shipyards, but the shipyards with a foreign partner can also respond. The landing platform docks will be powered by electric propulsion and must have a range of 10,000 nautical miles. It will be equipped with 32 vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missiles, 16 anti-ship missiles, 4 AK-630 close-in weapon system with electro-optical fire control system, 6 heavy machine guns with stabilized gun-controlled stations and also directed energy weapon. It will accommodate 2 heavy lift helicopters, 12 special operations helicopters, and 2 naval ship-borne unmanned aerial system. The director of Russia's Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation has said that the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia and some Southeast Asian countries have filed requests for the purchase of the Indo-Russian Brahmos missile system. The Brahmos is being actively promoted to third countries and has also generated interest among several foreign customers at the ongoing Army Expo 2021 in Moscow. Russia's Rosaboronexport is developing a light export version of the T-90 tank that will be equipped with cutting-edge dynamic and active protection and the latest fire control system, and Rosaboronexport expects production of this lighter version to be adapted to requirements of certain foreign customers. India, Algeria, Vietnam, Azerbaijan and Iraq operate the T-90, and India is by far the largest user with more than 2,000 T-90 tanks. The Indian Army is procuring 65 indigenous long-range observation systems under the Buy Indian category, which is a day and night surveillance system with a range of 10 to 15 kilometers, and it is mounted on a pan-tilt head. The system will be an effective reconnaissance, observation and surveillance equipment to be employed in various terrains including high-altitude areas. The weight of complete equipment including sub-assemblies should not exceed 200 kilograms, and it should be transportable in an in-service 2.5-ton vehicle. The Russian company ILROS has completed the installation of light signaling equipment on INS Vikrant. The navigation lights, shapes and sound signaling system developed by the Russian firm utilizes state-of-the-art LED technology to ensure that it is night vision friendly and is used for navigation since the flight deck is a noisy environment. With light signaling installed, INS Vikrant will be able to start flight trials of the fighter jets from the deck in day and night conditions. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence visited the modern facilities at Bharat Electronics Limited in Bengaluru, where they inspected the new electromagnetic test facility that can provide measurement services for radar cross-section and radar signatures, electromagnetic interference and electromagnetic compatibility and infrared signatures. The members of the Standing Committee also visited HAL facilities and witnessed flying display of indigenous products at the HAL airport. The navies of the Quad Group will kick off the Malabar 2021 joint naval exercise from today, that will witness exercises in all the 3 domains covering maritime warfare, and will include firing tests, anti-surface, anti-air and anti-submarine warfare drills, joint maneuvers and tactical exercises. India has officially started Maldives' largest civilian infrastructure development project worth $500 million, that is funded by India through aid and line of credit. The GMCP is a 6.7 kilometers bridge and causeway network that connects the Maldivian capital with other vital areas.
Omar dropped it.